Hear me out for a second. Is your weighted vest harming you? But Dr. Sarah, you talk about weighted vests all the time. All right, hear me out, hear me out. Listen, weighted vests are amazing, right? We put them on, we go do our cardio, we work in zone two, which is awesome, right? For midlife, we know that we want to be a little bit breathless, not too easy, and weighted vests really do a great job. However, weighted vest does not equal strength training. So you cannot be skipping out on the resistance. You cannot be skipping out on lifting weights because that is the most powerful tool that we have, right? We know after 35, we're losing that lean muscle mass every year. We need to be doing zone two work, right, for our metabolic health. But strength training builds muscle mass, right? And remember, the more muscle mass we have, the more calories we burn at rest. Hallelujah. I don't know about you, but sitting here, I want to be burning calories. It improves our insulin sensitivity and improves our bone density, right? So walking with a weighted vest is excellent. We love it. 2 to 3 times a week. It's amazing. It's great. But you can't be doing it instead of strength training, or you're not getting the full benefit. Now remember, midlife requires strategy, right? This is strategy. We have to be strategic. More muscle, more strength, more power. So keep the vest, but you better be picking up those weights too.